Good day everyone, we are the Group 5 and we will be reporting about the lymphatic system, the normal structure and its function. So first, we will be defining lymphatic system. So what is all about lymphatic system? Lymphatic system or lymphoid system is an organ system in vertebrates that is part of the immune system and complementary to the circulatory system. It consists of large network of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, lymph organs, lymphoid tissues, and limbs. It keeps body fluids levels in balance and defends the body against infections. As a vital part of your immune system, your lymphatic system protects you from infection and destroys old or abnormal cells your body doesn't need. It drains fluids and proteins from the tissue and returns them to the bloodstream. This system also participates in immunity and aids in absorption of fats and digestive tract. Next, we will be discussing what is all about lymph nodes. So, first, what is all about lymph node? It is a small mass of lymphoid tissue along the part of a lymphatic vessel that filters lymph. Siya yung nag-filters ng lymphs. Cells that help fight infections make up your lymph nodes along with lymph tissue. It also helps fight infections. There are hundreds of lymphs throughout your body. Marami daw lymph nodes throughout our body. Pero yung the most well-known places where you'll found lymph nodes are in your armpits, neck, and groin. Lymph node connects your lymphatic system which moves fluid through your lymph nodes.
Good morning everyone, I am John Paul Matias from Group 5 and I'll be discussing to you the appendix and lymph. The first one is the appendix. It is a small finger-like mass of lymphoid tissue attached to the first part of the large intestine. So the appendix is a small finger-shaped pouch of intestinal tissue. It sits in the lower right part of your belly. No one is completely sure what is the function of the appendix is, but one theory is that the appendix acts as a storehouse for good bacteria, rebooting the digestive system after a diarrheal illnesses. Other experts believe that the appendix is just a useless remnant from our evolutionary past, but surgical removal of the appendix causes no observable health problems. We can see in the picture where the appendix is located. The next one is the lymph. It is the thin plasma-like fluid that drains from the tissue and is transported in the lymphatic vessels. Lymph is also called lymphatic fluid. It is a collection of the extra fluid that drains from cells and tissues in your body and isn't reabsorbed into your capillaries. Lymph contains many different substances. The lymph fluid carries the waste products and destroyed bacteria back into the bloodstream. Other parts of the lymphatic system will be discussed by my group mates.
The next one is the Peyer's patches. So what is Peyer's patches? It is an aggregate of lymphoid tissue in the lining of the intestine. It is found in the mucous membrane lining of the ileum, which is the last part of the small intestine. It consists of lymphoid follicles, which include germinal centers with B cells, T cells, and other immune cells. Peyer's patches are small oval-shaped clusters of lymphoid tissue found in the lining of the small intestine, particularly in the ileum. These patches are part of the gut-associated lymphoid tissues and play a crucial role in the immune system, specifically in the defense against pathogens that may enter the digestive tract. Moving on to the next, which is the right lymphatic duct. The right lymphatic duct is a short, narrow vessel in the lymphatic system that plays a key role in the drainage of the lymph from the upper right side of the body. The right lymphatic duct is located in the upper chest, near the right shoulder. The primary function of the lymphatic system, including the right lymphatic duct, is to maintain fluid balance, transport immune cells, and filter harmful substances from the lymph before returning it to the bloodstream. The right lymphatic duct is relatively short compared to the thoracic duct, which is larger of the two main lymphatic ducts. It's important to note that the left side of the body is drained by the thoracic duct, which collects lymph from the remaining portions of the body. Together, the right lymphatic duct and the thoracic duct help maintains the body immune function and fluid balance. That's all. Thank you and God bless.
Hi everyone, I am Angeline Ramos and I will be reporting you the spleen. So, what is spleen? Spleen is a large reddish-brown organ in the upper left region of our abdomen. It filters blood and destroys old red blood cells. And also, spleen is considered as the largest organ of lymphatic system. As you can see on the picture, it's located in the upper left side of our abdomen and next to our stomach and located below our 9th, 10th, and 11th ribs. The shape and the size of the spleen is vary among individuals. It's oval shape and mostly about 4 inches long in a healthy human. It's an important part of our immune system and we can survive without it, di ba? Kaya nating mabuhay kahit wala ang spleen. But extra precaution is to be taken in guarding the body against infections.
Thoracic duct, the lymphatic duct that drains fluids from the upper left side of the body and all of the lower body. Left lymphatic duct. So the thoracic duct is a crucial component of the lymphatic system responsible for draining lymphatic fluid from the upper left side of the body and the entirety of lower body. It is the largest lymphatic vessel and serves as the left lymphatic duct. Function. The primary function of the thoracic duct is to transport lymph, a clear fluid containing white blood cells, proteins, and waste products back into the bloodstream. By doing so, it helps maintaining fluid balance, support the immune system by filtering harmful substances, and ensures the proper functioning of the circulation system.
Good day everyone, I'm Angelica Wandasan and I'll be discussing the thymus gland. The thymus is a vital organ in the immune system located in the mid-chest region near the heart. Ang pangunahing papel nito ay ang pagbuo at pagmamature ng T lymphocytes o T cells, isang uri ng white blood cell. Ang T-cells ay mahalaga sa pagsugpo ng mga pathogen at sa pagsasagawa ng immune response laban sa mga impeksyon at cancer. Sa proseso ng pagmamature sa thymus, tinuturuan ang T-cells kung paano makipaglaban sa mga specific na antigens o yung mga molekula mula sa mga pathogen. The thymus undergoes significant changes throughout one's life. During childhood and adolescence, it is particularly active, generating a diverse pool of T cells. However, as an individual ages, the thymus gradually involutes or shrinks. Despite this, other parts of the body continue the process of T development. The importance of the thymus lies in its role in shaping a robust and effective immune system. T-cells produced in the thymus are crucial for recognizing and combating pathogens contributing to overall health.
Good day everyone, I'm Alyssa Marie Di Martin and I'll be discussing to you the tonsils. First is pharyngeal tonsils or adenoids, referred to the tissue group located in the upper part of the nasopharynx region at the back of the nose. These are known as adenoids when these tissues increase in size. While Dyer's limb refers to a group that lies across the pharynx. These tissues have a protective covering known as ciliated pseudostratified epithelium on their external part that loads secretions such as mucus. Next is tubal tonsils. These tubal tonsils comprise particular tissues that surround the openings of the eustachian tubes within the side walls of the nasopharynx. They form what is known as Dyer's ring. This outer layer of these tissues is known as ciliated pseudostratified epithelium. The outer lies between this layer and the skin helps to secure and transfer items such as mucus. Palatine tonsils are commonly referred to as the tonsils. It is located between the two arches on the backside of the throat. On the left is this rigid shell and some loose connective tissue that separates its surface from the surrounding muscles. These tonsils are coated with a distinct layer known as stratified non-keratinized squamous epithelium. And last is lingual tonsil. A lingual tonsil is located posteriorly behind the submucosal layer, while diaphragm has tonsils making the back of your tongue rough or uneven looking. The stratified non-keratinized squamous epithelium that protects the rest of your tongue also coats the lingual tonsil.
Good day, everyone. I'm Melissa B. Pagkarangan. Root word, lympho, meaning lymph or lymphatic system. Example, lymphoid, resembling lymph or lymphatic tissue. Lymphadeno, meaning lymph node. Example, lymphadenitis, inflammation of lymph node. Lymphangio, meaning lymphatic vessel. Example, lymphadenitis, X-ray image of lymphatic vessels.
Hello everyone, my name is Rika May Princena and I will be discussing the roots. First, spleno meaning spleen. The spleen is a small organ inside your left rib cage, just above the stomach. Second, thymom meaning thymus gland. It makes white blood cells, T lymphocytes, which are part of the immune system and help fight infection. And last, tonsillo or tonsils are two round fleshy masses in the back of your throat. Part of our immune system, your tonsils are like lymph nodes. They help filter out germs that enter through your nose or mouth to protect the rest of your body from infection.